Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we give you a theme. This week's theme was Maker's Choice. Next week's theme will be hat. So anything with a hat, you may join in on our collab. Also, I am entering into a collab that's hosted by Sybil B, and that is hashtag Autumn in August. And as always, hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. All the ladies' links will be down below. So this week I am using some of these little gems here. And I pulled out Cut Me Clay Taste flowers, so I'm using these small ones here, tiny flowers. I'm also using her Clayberries Red. And I'm using this set here, Fall Flowers. And then from Stamp Anything, I'm using the 8-point star. Whimsy Stamps, I don't know what the name of this one, Magic Wool Flowers, and I'm using Thank You So Very Much. And then from My Creative Time, I'm using this one of these dies here, and I want to say like just a little top of one of these. And then from Craft Perfect Tonic Studios, Autumn Maple Pearlescent card stack, and I think I'm using the yellow. And then from We Are Memory Keepers, I'm using these layering square dies. Yeah, and there goes the card that I made for my autumn card, and also Master's Choice. So I thought it turned out very pretty. The only thing I'm having problems with is drying that ink, so I have to be very careful. I should have heat embossed it and I didn't. So the first stamp that I stamped out was smeared, so I had to try it again. But anyways, so far it's doing okay, and I really like how it turned out. I like the layers of flowers that are on there that I chose, and always with Cuddle Me Clay Taste flowers, you can't go wrong. I love her shop. I'll try and have that link down below if I can remember as well. So make sure you go over and visit her and pick up some of those flowers for yourself. And then there goes the inside of my card there. But I really, really like it. Turned out so pretty. There goes those little gems that I added around. But that's what I have for you today. Make sure you enter into some of these collabs that everyone has out there. And that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.